We can't start learning about pull systems until we first define and understand what a pull system is. So, let's begin by doing just that. In the most basic sense, a pull system is a technique used to produce only what has a demand attached to it. Pull systems are also used to replace inventory items or information which may have been taken to fulfill a demand. Pull systems really operate from two fundamentally different aspects. The first perspective is that pull systems only produce what is demanded for or consumed by a customer. This is very important. If there is no customer attached to the demand, it is not produced. The other aspect is that withdrawals do not occur unless the operation using the information or physical inventory has demand for it. In other words, both materials and information will not be produced unless a trigger or signal comes from a downstream user. The fundamental concept in a pull system is that the customer creates the demand, which naturally creates a trigger. Nothing occurs unless there is a customer attached to the demand. In a pull system, the demand is created by an external customer, and that demand travels all the way back through the value stream by downstream or internal customers at each operation. One very common everyday example of a pull system is at a grocery store. Supplies are not replenished until a customer pulls the item from the shelf. And that's it, a pull system. Now, let's test your retention of your new knowledge here by challenging your mind with a question that you can answer in the community. In a pull system, who generates or triggers the demand needed for withdrawal or production? We look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you in the next module.